In this video, I will show you how to insert emojis in Outlook. So to get started, go ahead and open Outlook on your device and then go ahead and create a new mail by clicking on this new mail button at the top left of your screen. So in here, go ahead and enter the recipient of this mail in this section. So after you do that, you need to go ahead and create a subject line. So go ahead and enter that before you proceed with the subject line and the content of your email. So if you want to go ahead and incorporate an emoji for the content of your email, you'll need to go ahead and click on the content section or the body section of your email. Right click on it and then the emoji option will pop, so click on that, and then on the right side you'll be able to find the list of emojis that you can use with your email. So go ahead and select that, and that is how you can basically insert emojis in Outlook.